Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today our topic is how you can use auto reply option in Gmail. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geeks. So first of all you need to go to setting, then all settings, then you can have option for auto reply. Moving towards our lesson, this is Google. Go to Gmail, then go to setting, this option, then see all settings. So at below we have option out of office auto reply. Currently it's off. I'm going to turn it on. So first day, from which date you want to apply this option. I am applying from today. So last day, you can have last day. Suppose you are going for 1 week, 2 week or 1 month, etc. And you can off this option for unlimited days. Type here the subject. You can have body, multiple options like plain text or rich text. You can type your own message here. So this is a custom message. You can have your own choice. Now another option, only send a response to people in my contacts. You can send to those who are in your contact list or you can send to all. Currently I am checking option for all. Save changes. Now here's the current status for your email address, currently unavailable. And now there is an option you can end for any time or for any day with simple one click, and you can get for more settings. So we will check it with simple email. Going towards Gmail. Sorry for mistyping. So we are composing message for cgeeks. To cgeeks. Hi, are you available? Simple message. Now I am sending this message and waiting for reply, auto reply. So here is the option auto reply message from currently unavailable. So I will open it. Hello dear, I am out of office. That specific message which we have already typed. So in this way you can have option for auto reply. Let's have a look for email. So there is option. In this way you can have option for your mobile. So in this way you can learn how to apply, how to use auto reply. You can have specific setting on your mobile also. Thanks guys for watching and learning.